Hi friends, happy Tuesday. Hope you are all doing well. Sorry for the slight delay. I forgot to turn my Wi-Fi off on my phone. We all know how that works on Facebook. But happy Tuesday, my friends. Hope you are all doing well. I am just double checking and make sure that I pop up on my page and we should be good to go. It looks like I am seeing myself. Bear with me just 1 second. And if you are catching the replay, go ahead and fast forward a minute or so while I say hello and get into my page. Okay, we are good to go. Sorry, Patty, I know I had to hit the Wi-Fi button and it disconnected everything, so we are all good to go. Happy Tuesday, my friends. Today is Tuesday, December 10th. Can you believe that Christmas is just 2 weeks away? Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even have my Christmas cards done yet. So that is what we are working on today. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back to another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny, where every Tuesday my dear friend Jenny Fetz and I go live on Tuesdays for our Teach It Tuesday. And if you are new to my page, welcome. My name is Tammy Savello, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator out of the San Francisco Bay Area. And welcome to Cards by TLC. Today, this week, Jenny and I are working on our last week of Christmas themed cards. Again, I am in complete craft fair mode and complete personal Christmas card mode, so we should be good to go on working on some stuff. Today is a cute, super cute, simple layout card that I have not used this bundle yet. I cannot believe I have not used this bundle yet. But it is from the Christmas Friends bundle. Look how adorable these little characters are. And it comes with the coordinating dies. And I really need to play with this all day today so I can share some samples on my blog tomorrow with you. But let's go ahead and dive in. We have our standard card base in Real Red. And that is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have an embossed piece that I've already embossed this for you. This comes from the, let me grab it here. This comes from the reindeer, oh, okay. Let's bang the light. Sorry about that, friends. This comes from the Reindeer Memories scrapbooking kit. And I pulled out the Pool Party two-tone cardstock. I absolutely love this. It has a white core underneath it. And we're going to be doing some sanding today because that's where we get our snow, the white from our snow. I love that our two-tone cardstock going forward is going to be in every color, I think by the annual catalog. Fingers crossed. So I grabbed the two-tone Pool Party cardstock. And then for the inside, I grabbed this striped cardstock as well. And again, this is in the kit. Oh, thank you, Patty. And Patty just mentioned Pool Party two-tone cardstock is also available in a separate pack. So thank you so much, and I will go ahead and tag that in my blog tomorrow for us. And then the inside, I just used up the card or the designer paper for that. And then our label is from the Something Fancy dies. I absolutely love the shapes of these dies. They're great tag dies for your arsenal. And I embossed this in the 3D Snowflake Sky embossing folder. And I just realized it when right before I went live, I went on to look at the last chance list. This might be sold out. So if you missed it, I'm so sorry. But if you do have it, hopefully this gives you some inspiration on what to do. And then I have already pre-stamped my little cute little bear in Memento black ink because we're going to do some coloring today. And our panel pieces for the inside, we have a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece for the inside, and then the basic white is cut at 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And then we have I took from our Real Red two-tone cardstock. Look at the difference of that. Isn't that fun? So I have a two-tone piece of Real Red, and this is 3/4 by 3 1/2. So let's go ahead and dive in and create and have all kinds of fun. I think what we'll go ahead and first do is color our cute little bear. And then I am going to color this in light Real Red. And try to do this as quickly and neatly as possible. I usually have to be really close. So we're just gonna kind of go a little slow. These animals are so stinking cute. I cannot believe I have not dived into this. Kind of embarrassed. And then I'm going to come in with some light cherry cobbler and do the berries on our wreath. Just little tiny berries. And then I am going to come in with my light and dark old olive, color my wreath. I might have to do a red one up there too. And then I'm going to go back in with the dark old olive and kind of do some shading a little bit. Just around where these little dark marks are at. Nothing too fancy, just a little bit of shading along the edge. There we go. And do I have it? I had found my Wink of Stella, but now I've misplaced it again. So I was going to add some Wink of Stella on his bow to give him a little bit of extra fun. And then I'm going to stamp Have a Berry Christmas, and then this cute little like greenery that is on there, and I'm stamping that in Garden Green. And then my sentiment in Real Red. That glare through the camera. I'm going to pull this down, guys, so I can get the glare out of the way. There we go. Sorry about that. So Snowflake Sky embossing folder is in stock the week of December 30th. Thank you so much, Patty. So you can, it might not necessarily be a Christmas card, but maybe like a wintry New Year card that you can do that says maybe Happy New Year, if you would like. Just some wintry cuteness on there. And then I'm going to come in with this buffer. God, apparently words are hard today. And it's just one that Stampin' Up! Had many, many, many years ago. But you can use any type of buffer. In fact, I am going to put in in the description box below the video on the YouTube channel, as well as in the description portion of the Facebook. My dear friend Patty has an Amazon online store that I know she has a buffer in there, so I will tag that so you can get a buffer and buff out these snowflakes. And that's what I love about this paper, is you just buff it out just a little bit and it gives you the white snowflakes. Isn't that cool? So cool. Sanding block, thank you. Apparently I am having words apparently are very hard for me today. Thank you so much, Patty, for your assist in the chat here. Appreciate it. And then these cute little snowflakes are these cute little clay white loose snowflakes, and I am just going to add a few of those. But let's go ahead and add our card panels on the inside first and foremost. Oh, come on, Tammy. Love to know in the chat if you are all ready for Christmas, if you are still in the knee-deep depth of getting ready for Christmas. How's it going? Just doing a check-in with everybody. Or Hanukkah, if you guys are getting ready for that as well. I have all this white sandy stuff on my desk. Okay, let's go ahead and put our embossed panel in. Checking off the to-do list, wrapping is up next. I know, it's crazy. It'll be here before we know it. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my real red strip. And our sentiments. Just like so. And let me just trim off a little piece of foam adhesive sheet for my bear. So we gotta pop our little bear up. Isn't he cute? So my parents used to belong to the Moose Lodge when I was little, and it was a big, big deal. And when I saw this cute little moose, and for my family that lives in Minnesota, I think for my family that lives in Minnesota, I'm going to send them a cute little moose Christmas card. But when I saw the moose, it just brought me back to my childhood. So I'm just going to add just a couple little dots here with some glue. Actually, I think I'm going to do a glue dot. I think that will work better for these snowflakes. Just grab a little glue dot, ball that up. I think I'll put one right there. And I did put one on his little nose as well. And I have these, I did put snowflakes here. Do you guys like the snowflakes, or should we put the little peppermint candies on there? Let me know if you're in the chat what I should do, what your vote is. In the meantime, I'm going to continue on with a few little snowflakes, and then of course I'm going to put one on his little nose. And these little snowflakes are fantastic for shaker cards. Do one with the peppermints, and then I have the 2 samples for my blogs. You know, Patty, you're always teaching me your ways. I love it. Good idea. And I'm also going to do a few more samples of this bundle. So I have some different samples for you guys to see, because I need to this afternoon really dive into this bundle. Isn't that cute? Cute little snowflake falling on his nose. I think I'll do one more little snowflakey. And I think I might do a shaker card. Let's do one right here. Oh, that's a broken one. The only downfall about these is they are made of clay, and they do kind of break a little easily. So they're very fragile, but they're so cute once they're on. Okay, let's go ahead and close that lid before we have an accident, and then we'll come in with some cute little peppermints. Maybe one right there. Love it. Super simple, super cute to do for the holiday season. The bear is, all you have to do is worry about the coloring of the wreath, or if you want to color your bear, I leave it a white polar bear. But I absolutely love this bundle. I hope you did too. But that will be it for me today, my friends. Be sure to join my counterpart Jenny Fetz at Stampin' with Jen. That's 2 N's in Stampin' and 2 N's in with Jen at 4 p.m. Pacific time today. She'll be sharing her version of her Christmas card. And thank you all for joining me for another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny. And I hope to see you all here next week for another fun project. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.